This is the third TEDx Youth Palm Harbor University High School event. Students have done everything from advertising to searching for and selecting speakers and logistics for the whole event.
I'm just someone who really enjoys kind of like the learning and teaching process, and TED is kind of like the ultimate culmination of that. It's kind of the pinnacle of where people go to teach their community about their own experiences that they don't get to hear.
The theme this year is United, which was a student-selected theme.
So the way we came up with the topic is we had a lunch meeting and we just started throwing ideas around, and someone said TEDx United, and considering how we were all students from different backgrounds with different interests coming together to work, this is one of our largest teams that we've had to work on TEDx before, it was really important that we choose a theme that elevates it.
Today we hope to inspire conversation and introduce new ideas about how unity can be our greatest tool.
With the theme of unity, we really wanted that to carry throughout the event itself and not just in what we're discussing on stage. So we really wanted to bring in the musicians from different local high schools that are coming together to play before the show and during intermission, and some art featured on stage in our entrance hallway. And so we're almost unified in the event itself.
Everyone in this audience has the ability to be a leader and is a leader.
I think this is so important for me to be a part of because public discussions are essential to a functioning society. Having a community come together to celebrate different opinions and ideas is really important, and it's important for the youth to get involved so that they can see the value of everyone's individual voice.
One of the best parts about TEDx is the curation process. You have to look into your community, your state, and find people who are really passionate about something that they've been kind of holding back in their life that they want to share.
Last summer, I was diagnosed with PTSD at a local crisis center, something that continues to affect me to this day.
We've seen every year at least one or two speakers are sharing a story that is so personal that I've found out that they've never actually told the story before.
A unity that produces excellence does not crumble under the weight of diversity. It thrives off of what each and every person brings to the table.
When they invited me to come speak on unity, I was like, this is definitely something that I should be doing. And for me, it was only recently that I started kind of uniting different pieces of my identity and who I am with my culture, and just kind of navigating that, like how I was born in Egypt and growing up in America. And I also go to 2 different churches and so many different things that I felt like I have united within myself this year.
Let's get started.
The most important lesson for me is that they understand that they're more than capable of putting on events and doing very challenging and complicated things completely on their own.
The biggest thing I learned logistically putting on the event is that it takes a team, it takes collaboration and communication, and then it all comes together in such a wonderful event.